The necessity of external force for motion. To initiate motion in a stationary object, or to alter the motion of a moving object, an external force is essential. This force can be provided by various agents such as wind, gravity, or human interaction. Force interaction without contact. Not all forces require direct contact to influence an object. Gravitational and magnetic forces can act over a distance, demonstrating that external forces can operate remotely to initiate or change motion. Aristotle's misinterpretation of motion. Aristotle believed that continuous external force was necessary to maintain motion, a view proven incorrect by later scientific advancements. His perspective was based on everyday observations where friction and other resistive forces are at play. Galileo's refinement of motion concepts. Galileo's experiments, such as those with inclined planes, showed that objects would move with constant velocity on a frictionless surface, challenging the need for a continuous external force for maintaining motion. Newton's first law of motion building on Galileo's insights. Newton formulated the first law of motion, stating that an object will maintain its state of rest or uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. This law emphasizes the condition of zero net external force for constant velocity. Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law connects the concepts of force, mass, and acceleration, stating that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass. Applications of Newton's third law of motion.